Got me a birthday fish, a new Segaling 7-foot Cast King Royal Legend 2. Nice little largemouth, saucy swimmer, weighted Ned rig. Got me another one. 2 birthday bass. Let's see how many birthday bass we can get. Well, after losing 4 in a row on the bank, got another little tiny largemouth. Birthday fish number 4 on the Guggen Saucy Swimmer. Cute little largemouth. Birthday bass number 5 in a pile of grass with it. And beautiful little number 6, I think. Man, I've lost track. It's been a good birthday